Officer of the Philippine Senate Impeachment Court rebukes the House for deferring the acceptance of the remanded complaints against the Vice President. Senate President Francis Escudero insists the House should show some respect. But his presumed rival for the Senate presidency believes the senator judges should show some shame. This story from Victoria Tulad.
The hearing is resumed.
The House of Representatives should respect the impeachment court. According to the court's presiding officer, Senate President Francis Cheese Escudero. Escudero was responding to the remark of House Speaker Martin Romualdez on Wednesday night that the return of the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte to the House was deeply concerning.
Yan ang pasa ng impeachment court bilang mga taga-usig. Dapat nilang galangin at sundin yun. Hindi tulad ng Kamara na panay ang pintas sa Senado, hindi ko galing pintasan ang kanilang ginagawa. May trabaho silang dapat gampanan ayon sa tingin nila kung anong tama. At gagalangin namin yon tulad ng kahilingan at panawagan kong paggalang din.
Vice President Sara Duterte, according to Escudero, should likewise respect and follow the summons served to her. The impeachment court issued 2 orders as it returned the articles of impeachment. First was for the House to submit an attestation that it has complied with all the requirements of the Constitution in initiating the complaint, particularly the 1-year ban rule. And second, a resolution approved by the 20th Congress of the House ratifying the acts of the 19th Congress and affirming its determination to pursue and prosecute the impeachment complaint. Although the House adopted a resolution certifying compliance for the first order Wednesday night, Escudero said they have not yet received a copy. He is also awaiting formal communication regarding the House's decision to defer acceptance of the articles of impeachment as it seeks clarification.
Korte lamang ang pwede makapagsabi kung ano epekto nun at hindi ako bilang taga-Pangulo at presiding officer. Pangalawa, ang balita pa lamang naman yan sa media at wala pa kaming formal na natatanggap.
We-welcome naman natin yung development na yon, but at the same time we are also going to wait for the motion for clarification para lalong ma-explain sa House of Representatives at saka sa prosecutors kung ano ba yung hinihingi ng korte mula sa kanilang bilang litigants.
Senator Rhys Ontiveros says the impeachment court's action caused unnecessary delay.
Humingi na lang sana ng clarification ang Senate Impeachment Trial Court sa House prosecutors halimbawa na ang dali-dali sana nilang isagot sa amin.
Escudero maintains the timeline remains the same, with the trial possibly happening in July, a schedule he has announced since February.
Pag kinompute at inad mo yun, June 13 na kulang-kulang at tapos na ang termino ng Kamara. Wala nang authority ang mga prosecutors at hindi naman kami pwede maglitis ng isang panig lang. Ang pinakamagagawa lamang ng impeachment court sa pagtatapos ng 19th Congress ay mag-issue ng summons na ginawa namin.
For a constitutional expert, there's no need for the House prosecutors to file a motion for clarification. Attorney Rene Sarmiento says the House panel should just immediately answer the issues raised by the impeachment court so it can proceed with the Vice President's trial.
I'm one of the representatives, one of the congressmen, looking at the motion to remand. Para sa akin po, napakalinaw po eh. May violation ba ng 1-year ban to initiate a complaint? Number 2, ito ba ay tatawid sa 20th Congress? I think these are issues that can be clarified very swiftly by the House members. No need to clarify. Sagutin na kaagad po para bumalik na sa Senado at maumpisahan ang paglilitis. The guiding star that should guide all senators in this case and all parties involved in this case is the common good. What is the common good? So the common good is forfeit proceed. After all these issues, motions, etc., I think no need to delay.
Former Senate President and now Senator-elect Tito Soto also questioned the return of the impeachment complaint.
May infirmity sa ginawa. Dapat noon pinisent yung mga articles, pinag-usapan nila. Kaya siyempre pagbibintangan ka ngayon dyan, you're either counseling for the prosecution or the defense.
Soto has expressed interest in running for the Senate presidency. His message to his fellow senators:
Kung mga hindi sumusunod sa mga rules at sa parliamentary procedures na Senado ngayon, mahiya naman kayo.
For Escudero, the impeachment court is sui generis, and only the Supreme Court can rule on constitutionality.
Sui generis means it's a class of its own. Pwedeng gawin ng impeachment court anumang ninanais gawin ito ayon sa botohan, at kung may hindi man sumasangayon, malaya silang pwedeng iakyat sa Korte Suprema yan.
Escudero also insisted